Alright guys, you got the QCat again. Quick video on trunk actuator malfunction on a 2018 Rogue SV. If you come across one of these where the power trunk doesn't work, you hit this button and it does nothing. What we found worked in this case, and this may not work in all cases. You take this fuse, that's your ship mode. Remove it. Okay? Start vehicle. Hang on. Those are gonna come on. Like your turn signals, they're gonna stay on. Okay? And wait for your safety shield. Then it'll come up saying that it's in ship mode. Okay? Hang on. Okay? So once you see that come on, car recognizes that it's in ship mode. That's effectively a soft reset. Okay? Turn vehicle off. Alright, go back to your shipping mode fuse. Insert. Notice car starts beeping. Okay? Start vehicle again. Confirm it's out of ship mode. Ship mode is out, right? Go to your actuator switch, and when you push it, it should open. Okay? See? It opens. It close. Come on. There it is. Okay? This may or may not work for your application, but if you happen to come across a customer that says, hey, my trunk switch doesn't work, that's what you got to do. You have to QCat.